Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. First of all, we'll start with some post analysis. Let's look at what we did yesterday. As you remember, I must start with this. Please, if you know you are new here, endeavor you please watch the forecast for yesterday so that it will give you an edge in understanding what we're doing today. Okay, that is just a piece of advice. Please watch the forecast for yesterday, Tuesday, the 2nd of August, so that it to just allow you understand, make you understand better what we are doing today. So for yesterday, we were looking for sales on the break of this low that was created, stop loss above the structure. Then we had our 1 hour. Okay. Um, I was on the other hand, I was also like John the Baptist, I was warning that we should be careful of this zone. This first zone is where the demand territory started, so we should be careful. This is even a stronger demand zone. You remember yesterday I was talking about this. I said, hey, here you see how price ran away from it. It was showing some doggedness, like sellers were trying to push it down, but eventually buyers came in strongly. Okay, so once price entered this hard, I was doing something that requires a careful understanding of the market, which is gauging momentum of the sellers versus the buyers. I was looking at, okay, this was not as strong as this move that started the Asian session. Okay, this buy again, though strong, but wasn't as strong as this buy. Okay, so I was like, okay, we've had what we got. Let's just play it cool. No need to push the market. Okay, we took our 1 hour and let it be. So eventually, what happened was um, we had this bullish impulsive move. If you remember what I said from yesterday was that I was never going to look for any buys until we get above this the supply zone. And as you can see, price is above the supply zone. Okay, so what I'm looking at the moment, since this our sell played out, give us our 1 hour, and look at this impulsive buy. Seriously, I was just like, should I take it? Should I not take it? Should I take it? Should I not take it? I was looking at a lot of things. Okay, on the daily, we were in buyer's territory. On the 4 hours, we were in 4 hours, we were in seller's territory. 1 hour, seller's territory. So like it would be safer if um we get a bullish breach, something like this, come for retracement, at least some, even if it's not um series of candles retracing or pulling back, at least if we get a bullish breach, then even if it's one hour candle retracement, then I could think of taking buys on the next candle breaking the high, something of this nature. But no, they say we propose, the market tends to do what it got to do. So this, instead of retracing before eventually going bullish or rallying or rising up, the price just kept pumping. And this particular price action started, I think was, yeah, 9 o'clock, which is 30 minutes to New York Stock Exchange open. Okay, 30 minutes to it. So like, okay, let's let it be. And this 9 o'clock is the start of a new 4 hour candle. Okay, start of a new 4-hour candle is also 30 minutes to New York Stock Exchange open. Now, like, okay, I just saw this, all this impulsive move and very strong played out, but it did not fit into my strategy. It did not fit into my plan, so I let it be. Okay, so for today, what I'm looking at is I'm just gonna take a chill pill. Okay, for today, I'm just gonna take a chill pill. The market is quite dilly-dallying in the sense that, okay, right now we're in 4 hours bias territory and we have this breaching of the structure here. So I want to see, my team and I would like to see if we can, how this, how price will react. Let's see how this candle closes, how price will react. If it will continue bearish, which will imply giving us deeper retracement before eventually turning bullish. Because on the 4 hours we're in bias territory now. On the daily we're in bias territory. Unlike yesterday, today we are on the daily, yes, we are still in bias territory. On the 4 hours, we are now in bias territory. Meanwhile, on the 1 hour, it looks like we're in sellers territory. I like this type of confluence because this means that when this sellers territory switches bias, it will be an eclipse kind of situation because the buys on the daily and the buys on the 4 hour will push the buys that has just turned, the sellers that have just turned to buyers will push them vehemently, which is what you're seeing here. Though this is sellers, but you see how price is pumping with a lot of aggression. So this is what I'm looking at on um, British pound Japanese yen. I'm just gonna take a chill pill this morning. No buys yet, no sells yet. Let's see what price will do. Um, Chill pill in the sense that potential buys could occur above here. Okay, potential sells could occur below here. So let's see what's gonna happen. Potential sells below here, potential buys above here. And again, be careful of this zone that we are approaching. Price could react negatively from this zone. So be very, 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 very watchful. Okay, be very watchful. So this is what I got to say this morning. The second thing I'm looking at is also easy. What is that? Okay. The second thing I'm looking at is this um, gold. Gold played out just as beautifully as I'm expected, which is taking up buys here. It gave us our retest and even kept pumping. Okay. Then after which it was kaboom, a slam dunk. Okay. So on just like on GJ, you want to take a chill pill on gold. Okay. Price has rallied. Let's say we give us some retracement. Depending on the strength of the retracement, we'll check if price will go up again. Another step of retracement, then I'll be looking for buys in order to go higher. Okay. On the other hand, I'll be looking for sales. Price breaches this low. So this will be scenario one. This will be scenario two. Scenario one is in the direction of the trend. Scenario two is counter trend. So this is what I'm looking at. Okay. Um, then on the other hand, what I'm looking at is the last but not the least is Bitcoin. Bitcoin has played out beautifully as anticipated. Um, Price has gotten to a strong level. No, not that. Price has gotten to a strong level, which I believe that's why you're saying that it's as if price cannot dip any further. Price has gotten to a strong level that's tapped an area of concern, which is this. And as you can see, that's why it's as if price is finding it difficult to continue dipping. So somewhere around here, someone the TP was actually I was okay getting to this point. Okay, because I was looking at it, the price eventually goes below this zone, then we'll be expecting even deeper dipping. So let's still wait and see what price will do. Again, just like British pound, Japanese yen, and gold, I'll be taking a chill pill on Bitcoin. Okay, today could just be a chill pill Wednesday. Nothing much. Market has just shattered every structure that it had created. So let's wait to see what market will do for us next. Right now, market is just it's not talking, it's not whispering, it just it just it's just there. Nothing much today. Okay. The last but not the least, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button, comment, and like. These are very important steps. Subscribe, hit that notification button, comment, and like. If you got any you like this, you want to see something new, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe so that you be informed and not deformed. Hit the notification button, which is like a bell, so that you'll be promptly notified when I release new things. That's all for now. Cheers. Peace.